It's been nice. We might see some rain. What's happening, Melissa?
We're getting a little mix of everything, some cooler temperatures as well. This was the view in Cayucos earlier this afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, but some areas actually saw some cloud coverage this morning and even enough precipitation to create a rainbow here in San Luis Obispo. This is Jeremiah's view out in Shell Beach. We'll take your photos on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Current temperatures now 47 degrees in Paso Robles, 49 in San Luis Obispo and Vandenberg, 48 in Santa Maria, and 54 in Vandenberg. Now, believe it or not, several areas actually warmer than this time yesterday. 10 degrees warmer in Isla Vista, 8 degrees warmer in Santa Barbara, 5 degrees warmer in Lompoc. Now, temperatures are going to be staying below normal for the next several days because of a cold storm that's making its way in. First, let's talk about some winds that are on the way. Wind speeds right now 10 miles per hour in Paso Robles, 13 in San Luis Obispo, 14 miles per hour in Vandenberg, and 5 miles per hour in Santa Barbara. We're monitoring the winds in Santa Barbara because we do have a wind advisory continuing on through early hours of tomorrow morning. Here's a look at our wind forecast, though, showing that as we're heading into Sunday afternoon, we are expecting winds everywhere to be calming down, those advisories to expire, but there are chances of some elevated wind activity as we're heading into tomorrow afternoon. This is a look at 3 p.m. We're at 14 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo and Santa Maria and 15 miles per hour in Lompoc. Now, this green color here, that's showing elevated wind gusts that could potentially be up to 30 miles per hour. So we're seeing plenty of wind activity out on the water where we have some advisories there as well. So again, our wind advisory in the Santa Barbara County Mountains and Santa Barbara County South Coast expires at 3 a.m., but there are still potentials this evening for gusts upwards of 45 miles per hour, particularly strongest in the Refugio and Gaviota area. Now, if we take a look out on the water, several advisories out there as well. This lighter pink color here, that's that small craft advisory, and the purple color is a high surf advisory. Now, what's interesting about that is we are expecting the wave activity to kind of taper off as we're getting into Sunday afternoon, but then by Monday we are expecting another large set of swells right behind it. So at this hour, wave heights are still 9 to 10 feet. There's a good chance that we're going to be seeing even larger waves as we're getting into Monday. Now, tomorrow might not be the best day to be out at the beach because we are expecting some light cloud coverage as we're heading into tomorrow morning. This is a look at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. You can see some partly cloudy skies there. We get a break as we're heading into the evening hours for some parts of the Central Coast, but then we are expecting some cloud coverage to make its way back to the Central Coast by late Monday night, early Tuesday morning, and that's because some showers are finally on the way. But how much rain are we expecting? Well, that's been changing by the hour. Here's a look at our weather pattern showing a low pressure system starting in the northern part of the state before eventually making its way to us by Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, bringing it looking like as of this hour, plenty of rain to places like Lompoc and even in northern San Luis Obispo County as well. So here's a look at our forecast precipitation taking us all the way through Thursday. Lompoc reaching close to half of an inch of rain, Cambria over half of an inch, and San Luis Obispo getting close to half of an inch as well. So as we get closer to Tuesday, we'll probably know more about how much rain we can expect, but of course it's always exciting to see rain in the forecast after how dry we were in February. Now, as for tomorrow, it's going to be on the cooler side, 67 degrees for your high in Paso Robles and in Santa Barbara, 64 in San Luis Obispo and Lompoc, and 62 in Santa Maria. Down the coast in Carpinteria, we're looking at 61 degrees, 64 in Santa Ynez and Los Alamos. In the 5 cities in Opomo, it's looking like 63 degrees today, 62 tomorrow rather, 62 in Arroyo Grande and 63 in Pismo Beach. And in northern San Luis Obispo County and Avila Beach, 61 degrees, 58 in Morro Bay and 57 in Cayucos. So in our 7-day forecast, you'll notice we get a lot of questions about what does this tree icon mean. That means we are expecting some fog and some light cloud coverage and then potentials for rain Tuesday and Wednesday. You can always check out that 10-day forecast on our app in the App Store.